How you doing today, guys? Welcome back to another day of 7th grade math. This is Mr. Gomez, your favorite teacher in the whole world, and today we're gonna do a few more examples on comparing data displayed on dot plots. Now, if you haven't, before we start, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you haven't seen my other channel, I'll leave a link over here, MTV Alex. And if you want to support this channel, link down in the description. Okay, comparing data displayed on dot plots. We're gonna do a few more examples. On the previous video, we learned about how to categorize a dot plot, whether it's a normal distribution or skewed distribution. And we also learned how to find the median, mode, range, and mean for the dot plot. And I'll leave a link for you right here. Now, in this one, we're gonna do a few more examples. I'm not sure if we're gonna do all of them. We're gonna try. I wanna give my class time to actually work on the assignment. So, number one, we're gonna be looking at this sample right here. And it says, what is the range of the data? And this one is already done for you. And it says 15. Again, to find the range, it's gonna be the big number minus small number that has a dot. Remember, it has to have a dot. So in this case, we're looking between 5 and 20. Both of them have a number and a dot. So 20 minus 5 gives you 15, and that's what they got right here. Number two, it says, since there are even number of dots, the median is halfway between the values of the two dots, of the two middle data points. What is the median? And this is what I talked about in the previous video. Whenever you start deleting items from left and right, and at the end you're left with two dots, you're gonna have to find the average of that. So let's go ahead and find that out. So we're gonna start taking 1 on this side, 1 on this side, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and we are left with 2. We cannot eliminate them because we need to find the median. And you gotta go left, right, left, right, left, right, the same number of times on both sides. Whatever you're left with, in this case, is gonna be right there. So since both of them are in the number 15, because you're gonna have a case where one dot is on one number and the other dot is in a different number, that's where you're gonna add them to and then divide by 2. In this case, we don't need to, because if you add 15 plus 15 is gonna give you 30. And when you divide by 2, it's also gonna give you 15. You still find the median, but you don't have to find it because both of the dots are in the same number. It's that easy. What is the mode? The mode is the value of the data that appears the most often. Which number has most dots on it? Again, is going to be what? In this case, 15. So we're in a row. Everything's 15 so far. That easy. For the mode is the one that repeats the most. The one that has the most dots. If there's two numbers on the number line that has the same amount of dots, and those are the two biggest ones, then you're gonna write both of them. In this case, it's only 15. Now we're gonna look at those two, dot plot X and plot Y, and answer the next questions. And this is very similar to the assignment that my class is gonna be doing. Number 4, which data set has the largest range? Remember, you gotta find the bigger number and the smaller number. So we're gonna compare them too. And in this case, I have dots in here and here. So it's gonna be 13 minus 11, which is gonna be 2. That's for the range. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for the other one. 42 minus 6, which is gonna be what? 36. 42 minus 6 is 36. So which one has the largest range? Plot Y. Why? It says explain. Why? Because it goes from 6 to 42. And the difference is 36. That easy. Remember the range. Subtract the the smallest number and the largest number. Number 5, which data set has the most with most equivalent elements or dots? Which data set has the mode with the most equivalent elements or dots? So we got to look at the mode, okay? With the one that repeats the most, right? So in this case, the mode is going to be right here. How many do I have in there? 4. And I'm going to look at this one for the mode. This one has the most. And that's 3 of them. So which one has the most? Plot X. It has 4 dots or 4 elements. Number 6, what is the median of plot X? We're going to have to find the median. We're going to delete from the left and the right. So delete left, right, left, right, left, right. And we're left with one number. What number is that? And this is the median. So this is going to be 11 for plot X. I took 3 from one side, 3 from the other side. We're going to do the same thing for Y. For Y, we're going to take left, right, left, right, left, right. And we're left with, what number is this? 30. That's my median. And that is it. So to find the range, subtract the big number and the small number that has a dot. To find the median, delete from each side. To find the mode, find out which one has the most. If there's 2 at the end, whenever you're looking for the median, divide by 2 if they're different numbers. And other than that, that is it for this one, guys. If you learned something today, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and share with somebody that needs this lesson. If you haven't, please go ahead and subscribe. And other than that, that will be it for today. And I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.